everybody, welcome to another episode of Hot Wheels TV. Today I'm going to show you the Walgreens exclusive. Walked into Walgreens the other day and found actually 3 of them, gave one away, and I kept 2. And I'm going to tell you why I kept 2 in a second. This is the '69 Dodge Coronet Super Bee. It comes in semi-gloss black or flat black. The tampos on the front are white flames outlined in yellow. They're on the side of the car and the hood. The interior is black and the window is yellow tinted. There is yellow Dodge and Hot Wheel logo on the rear quarter panel. The wheels are blacked out MC5s with a red chrome ring. Now it has a chrome base on it, and I grabbed 3 of these the other day. 1 I gave away and 2 I kept because one of them has a black tint chrome grille, and the other, of course, the normal release, is a nice shiny clear chrome on it. So while you're out there at your local Walgreens looking for the Walgreens exclusive, make sure you look for the ones with the black tint grille. So there you go, Hot Wheels exclusive from Walgreens, '69 Dodge Coronet Super Bee. Cool looking car. Thanks for watching Hot Wheels TV. Please subscribe, please leave a comment, please give a thumbs up, and please be kind to one another. Till the next time, see you later. Bye-bye.